That is a smoke cloud from the forest fire in the distance. That's terrifying.
Hello! We are out in the beautiful wilderness in the middle of a valley in the mountains of British Columbia, Canada, in the Okanagan Valley to be specific. And we are out here in late August. We're out here in late August.
30th to be exact.
August 30th.
2027. So we're out here. Okay, so I have a confession to make. We have absolutely no idea what we're doing today. Had no idea to begin with. In fact, we just came out here because we were like, you know, we haven't been in the woods for like 7 years. You know, it is 2027 after all. But it's nice to see a little familiar face. The Fairy Bell fairies, and I dropped it. Shit. Okay. Fairy bells. Nearly tasteless, very slightly sweet, with a fairly sizable seed in the center, but they are a nice little nibble, and they taste like a sweet tomato. If you've been watching our videos before, you'll know about these. There's like fucking 3 seeds in this.
Fairy bells. Really good.
Yeah, except for there's 7 seeds in them or whatever.
Except for the 7 seeds. But also, what we have here is a new addition to our wild berry knowledge. It's the first time I tried this was not that long ago. It was actually just yesterday I tried this with my girlfriend out in the woods. And it's like a syrup. Tastes like syrup with really big seeds in them. But they're actually delicious. Oh.
How's the false salmon seal?
Oh, those are real sweet.
Those guys right there. False salmon seal.
That would make a good jam.
That would make a great jam.
Really good jam. Or a syrup.
I wonder how edible the seeds are. Like,
yeah.
If they're toxic.
Yeah, I have no idea. It might say on my book.
It's like, if they're not bad, you could probably just, crush the whole damn thing and just make a...
Mash it up.
Mash it up.
Like a nice little mash or jam or something out of it.
Jam.
Delicious. Some gooseberries. Pretty sure these ones were called swamp gooseberries. You can see them right there. Now they're pretty past their season, so there's not a lot of berries left. But let's give these ones a try. They seem to be okay.
Kind of sweet, kind of bitter. It's not bad though. Not as nice as a false salmon seal. That stuff. It's so good.
Massive bird on it. Next to a
Pretty
mullein.
nice, healthy mullein there too.
Yeah.
With some flowers.
And some leaves.
It's good. Kind of like plant butter. If that makes any sense.
Imagine Those are some big plantains. How big they are. My feet. We also got the infamous stinging nettle. Lurking. Yeah, lurking in the darkness underneath the bridge.
Oh, that's a healthy plantain.
The greatest to eat because they're darker. The younger ones you can eat though.
Yeah, you can dry it out and make it into like a paste or a soak or...
Even a rub.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, plantain.
And this is some kind of cress
howdy,
species,
hey.
I'm pretty sure. It is, well, it's a mustard green. They're really small plants on the ground, so. But we'll give them a taste. Because it's a little bitter. It kind of does taste like the winter green. Not winter green. What am I thinking? Wintercress, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Wintercress. Yeah. That's what it kind of tastes like.
Oh yeah, a little spicy.
It's pretty spicy. This is the Cretaceous forests. The Cretaceous period out here. 65 million years ago.
Alright, sure, it's all
Someone
enough.
out.
You can't go wrong with it.
I just noticed these plantains. You could eat these seed pods with corn on the cob. I'm gonna try that. Plantain seed pod. Hey, you totally could. If you're out here having to survive, you can totally munch on these. They're actually not bad. I just tried one of the green ones. Yeah, spread the seeds.
Yes.
You know what? It's not even bitter at all either. Tastes pretty good. Kind of pop in your mouth. Plantain. How's the corn on the cob?
Looking tasty as shit, mate. It tastes like asparagus though. Different types of fae. There's
Spent time
celandine and uncelandine.
making this.
Re-celandine.
Don't know what it is, but I'm gonna take it home.
Big old belts over there.
Big old belts. Big old red belt. Red belted polypore mushrooms across the creek over there. Too far, and it's not really the season yet. Not until the fall. belted polypores.
This one's nuts.
Somebody, it looks like somebody has peeled this before.
We probably did.
Yeah, we might have done that actually. Got us and maybe some other foragers.
Wow.
'Cause-
Look at them all.
Oh, look at them all. Oh, it's beautiful.
Something. No matches really.
We might have to take one up.
So yeah, we found these mushrooms, or I found these mushrooms, I guess. Just kind of growing out of the ground. So I have an app on my phone that it's supposed to tell you what, it's called Shroom ID, and it's supposed to tell you what mushroom it is when you scan it, based off of its appearance and whatnot. But there's no matches. It doesn't know what this is. Neither do we. So we're going to take one out. I'm going to take this small one. I'm going to take it out of the ground. And we're going to take a look at the underside. It's growing right out of the mulch. So it's got a whitish, kind of brown, like a light brown, almost a tan spore pattern there. Coloration. Oh, and it's a little bit gold almost.
It's polypore.
Yeah.
It's coming out of the ground. It must be coming out of like old wood.
Yeah,
Buried wood.
it's literally coming out of the mulch.
Yeah,
So
look
there
at
must
that.
be like a
Pieces of the bark.
Yeah.
The wood. Yeah. Wow.
yeah. There's a top end.
That is really interesting. And they look soft.
They do.
Ooh, I feel really interesting.
Yeah, they feel nice.
Wow. I feel like little creatures. Well, they are little creatures, but like weird.
Okay, I'm gonna take just a couple photos just to.
They're all full of ash from the forest fires,
Everything is. All the leaves are.
right?
Yeah. It was raining in my car. Like, I don't put the roof over my car too often
I
because
thought the Fire Nation was coming to attack.
Look at that.
it's just so chunky.
That mushroom is massive.
Look at
It's
this
hard
guy.
to see how big it is on here, but
It's
check out
bigger than
one.
this. Let me tell you.
It's bigger than this one. And this one's still massive. And these are the red belted polypores. And ones this big
Hello?
aren't the best for medicine. You want to get the younger ones. But they're
big sunglasses,
massive and
anyone?
beautiful. They grow bigger than a dinner plate. These things. That's a young one right there. It's just starting to poke out. Dude, no shades, man. What-
That is now the coolest mushroom in the woods.
Look at that. Damn.
Crazy.
Well, we're back to where we started.
Back to eat some of these.
Back to eat some of the fall salmon seal and some of the berry bells.
Not that false to me. They look pretty legit.
Well, you have made it to the end of this video and to the end of our journey. We are leaving now. We shall leave this place and go home. Not much of success with harvest, but we've had success with eating berry. Let's leave.
Many a berry has been consumed.